working with animals, it's super motivating to see when, something so vulnerable needs you. I've been a veterinarian for about 22 years. I've always been interested in animals and conservation. When I was 8-10 years old, I was fascinated with some of the Nat Geo shows, Jane Goodall, Diane Fossey saving the gorillas, the chimpanzees. Women getting out and helping animals. Around the coastline of Alaska, it's as rugged as you get. I mean, the Gulf of Alaska, even some of the Inside Passage, it's really narrow fjords, it's huge swell coming in, granite cliff faces everywhere with waterfalls coming down. There's a lot of villages I'm bumping into as I go that they have no vet. They have no way there's a vet coming out there. They're so remote. Like, it's so expensive for them to fly to a vet, like hours away on a seaplane. That's just not gonna happen. That suddenly, it all started coming together. I'm like, I'm gonna go and take my veterinary tools, I'm gonna stop by, I'm gonna do whatever I can for the people there, and then I'm gonna enjoy myself on the way. In my free time, I really just want to get out. I want to get out in the ocean. I want to get out and explore some of these rivers. I want to inspire people to, get out on some adventures. I mean, look at me, I'm 51. I just started sea doing a couple years ago, and now I'm like out on them all the time. I'm going all across the Gulf of Alaska, out to the outer coast. There's just so many little places to check out and go and get out with friends.
This is real waste of water.
Very quick in time. My odds are this much. 3. I really feel like the sea-doo is something that, like, as a woman, I can do on my own. I find it's really manageable for me. It just feels like so independent to be like, yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is my boat. I'm gonna unload it. I'm gonna load it. I'm gonna go take off. It sounds silly, but you can be like the captain of your own ship. And this is my machine. This is my ship, the sea-doo.